Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. Here we bring you all kinds of solutions, whether it's a fast fix or an in-depth tutorial. We are here to make problem solving easy for you. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to send request on Signal app. First of all, you can open the Signal application. Before moving further toward in the video, please consider subscribing to Solution Lab and hit the bell icon so you will get notified of our latest videos. Now coming back to the video, you can first update the latest version of this app. If you can't update, you can go to the App Store or Play Store and update the latest version. Now continue the video. You can see the pencil or box icon at the top right corner of the screen that is nearing to camera. Tap on it. After tapping on this, you can send request by finding a username or find by phone number, or another option is you can see the option mode, that is invite friends to Signal. You can tap on it and here you can send friend request, and here you can send request by inviting them by sending a message or mail, and it is the many ways to send request on Signal app to add a friend. If this tutorial helped to solve your problem, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more solutions. And as always, if you have any question or need further help, drop a comment below. We are here to help you. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.